The 1928 Leyland Titan TD1 diesel 111 is the oldest bus at Bridgeton and is on loan from the Scottish Vintage Bus Museum. It is the oldest remaining Leyland Titan TD1, one of only 3 with open staircases, and possibly the oldest Scottish double-decker still in existence. The Titan was introduced in 1927 with a 6-cylinder 6.8L petrol engine. Regarded as the most advanced passenger transport chassis, it was adopted into many bus fleets as their first double-decker. Among other aspects, it originated the low bridge design, patented by Leyland, which provided bench seating and rows of 4 with a sunken gangway on the top deck. This permitted the height of the vehicle to be kept just over 13 feet. Many TD1s were built to this style by Leyland and other manufacturers under license. Early examples all had rear open staircases. Innovations included 4-wheel brakes and self-starters, which were soon copied by other manufacturers and became standard practice. Over 2,300 Titans were built in 1927 to 32. Glasgow Corporation were enthusiastic early users, taking 15 almost as soon as the model became available. This was followed by a batch of a further 100 over 1928 and 1929. This bus was new in 1928 and ran in Glasgow until May 1940, when requisitioned as a civil defence ambulance.